heard a real strong signal key up and say, all stations were closing down now. And that was it.
Roger. Over. Roger. Take this way, so see if we can get him away. Kilo Lima, 6 Hotel Whiskey, he may be in the same route. 6 Kilo Lima, this is 6 Hotel Whiskey, radio check, over.
This is 6 Hotel radio check. I wish my furnace wasn't starting. I wish I wasn't shaking.
Hotel Whiskey, take off correct, over. Hotel Whiskey, okay, 6 Kilo Lima is requesting status on what you were requesting, over. Roger, 6 Delta Roger, will relay out. 6 Kilo Lima, 6 Oscar Echo, over. 6 Oscar Echo, 6 Kilo Lima, over. He was inquiring about you assuming the net. He heard the net was closed. He did not hear you assume the net, over. Roger, we'll relay out. 6 Hotel Whiskey, 6 Oscar Echo, over. 6 Hotel Whiskey, over. Yes, 6 Delta Tango closed the net early, did not turn the net over. It closed the net early, over. Roger, that's all we have, over. Could you repeat, over? Roger, I didn't hear that exactly, but I understand now and it's very understandable. That's all we have, over. Roger, we'll relay it. Out. 6 Kilo Lima. Complete. He does acknowledge. Over. Yes, sir. Anytime. 6 Oscar Echo. Out.
Come on, phone. My tripod, it's a miracle. Grow tripod. The silicone case on this phone is so slippery I can't hold it still. I don't have the dexterity to. I apologize. And for the sound of the furnace, when this shit pops up, you can't just plan on it. What was it? Just above the ham band and using the opposite sideband that one normally runs on 40 meters. They gone. Prepper net, survivalist net, militia net. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. 10:01 p.m. I'm gonna listen a little more. I'll catch you later. It's Tuesday at 1:06 p.m. and I've been sitting here for the last 15 minutes listening to Sierra 51 Delta X-Ray. Brings back memories, man. I think he's the fellow I worked when I had my 6-foot high test dipole. It was either that antenna or the one laying on the grass. I don't know, man. But it brought back good memories. And about to take off, going shopping. Catch you later. Check it out, guys. Just got home from shopping. The clock dead. Our power gone. My rig's power plentiful. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Seeing what 10 meters and 11 meters sounds like with no QRN at all. I'll report back. Check it out, guys. My backyard is an ice rink, man. We had 3 inches of white frozen frost and sleet cover everything, man. Uh, Today, I hate to come out here. Today, you can see that branch center screen has loaded up with ice, and it's taken a rest on my 80-meter end bed. Man, I've got slabs of ice sliding off of our steel roof. I've got 1,000-pound slabs of ice sliding off that. Look at the last one. Can you see it? Directly under my 80-meter end bed. Whop! The antenna survived it this time. 2 years ago, I had a branch break off and catch, and it hung on my 80-meter end bed. It hung there for weeks. I finally cut it down, and I was shocked to find that it weighed like 300 pounds, man. Come on, Blitzy, we gotta start the generator. I back in through the rain. Come on, Blitzy. Yeah, boy. I hear generators running, and we've lost power about an hour and a half ago, and I don't fire our generator up right away, but it's time. And this time I have cell phone service, no problem. The last time we lost power, though, I could have legally transmitted because I had no way to communicate. I had no power and no phone service at all, and I'm a cardiac patient. Damn it. I don't know what's wrong with me. I should have got on the air and keyed up. I got no power. I got no phone service at all. And I'm a cardiac patient. And I'm afraid. I shouldn't do that, man. That ain't cool. That ain't cool. Using the word ain't. I've never done that before. It ain't, Blitzy. Time to start it up. Check it out, man. Finished Kyle's bike. He did. I just did the electrical work on it. It's ready. Oil changed and everything. All right, time to fire the generator. I hope you're well. Catch you later. Bye. Wow, this is sad, man. I can't believe it. I honestly can't believe it. How far out from solar max are we? Look at my rig, man. 10-meter band. Look at my preamps. Amp 2. I've got full preamp on. I turned the band scope on. What do you see? Nothing. At least I can show you what the band sounds like. I feel like crying, man. Damn. Oh well. Let's pretend it's 30 or 40 years ago and ham radio was still active. During certain time, I'm pissed off. Get the fuck on the air. What's wrong with you, hams? Get on the air. Get on 10 meters. What's wrong with you? I want you to leave me a comment and tell me what your best excuse is why you're not operating 10 meters. I'm sorry you didn't deserve all that. You guys that watch my dribble, you're good hams. What's wrong with hams? I'm pissed off. Oh well. Let's listen to the white noise of the band with full preamp on when there's no electrical service in my neighborhood. Let's turn the preamps off and see what it might sound like. That's all you can do. There's no one talking here. A band with no QRN. Let's go to amp 1. That's how I'd normally run the rig on 10 meters. Hey, I know. Just for fun, for shits and giggles, let's see if anybody's using the free band frequencies. Or channel 38 on CB radio, for that matter. You ready for this, hams? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's just, oh, I see tons of activity. I'm not wrong. Let's turn a preamp on. Nobody's standing out above the others, but there's tons of activity going on. Before I started the recording, there were several people talking here, and of course they're gone now. Yeah, band must be pretty poor today. That's pretty crazy though, isn't it? No electrical service in my neighborhood. Wish this phone could capture that screen better. No electrical service in my neighborhood, and I've got amp 2 turned on. This is 27.425, but look at the S meter. I'm going to switch to 80 meter. I'm going to switch to 10 meter band. Whoops. Here's 28.450. Look at the S meter, man. Amp 2 is on. Oh, I wish there were hams talking for my little video demonstration. Here's one.
Oriented in the opposite direction. I've worked Japan on both of them, so I have a tower in the making. I've got the parts and pieces in the backyard, and I've got a 10, 15, and 12 beam to throw up there, a Mosley beam to throw up there, and I've got a 10-meter loop that I've already made up, ready to go up, but in the meantime, I'm stuck with my wires.
Well, 73s, everybody. I did copy David on the mobile. He said he was on 891 in Pennsylvania. KC3 VOH that did copy you. And all right. Did not copy Ben in Dallas. Things just don't work too good here in Texas to Texas too well. But anyway, 73s, everybody enjoyed it. We are having wonderful weather here. Wish y'all could enjoy some of it, but what goes around comes around. So 73s, everybody. Catch y'all tomorrow, hopefully, here on the net. 73s.
Listen to the band. Amp 2, Michigan Cacti. No electrical service anywhere in sight. Listen to the band. And he's done. Should I? Should I? I don't know where I've got the element for the cacti at. Oh God, I miss doing that. Oh, I miss doing that. I want so bad to build and, and the attenuator for the output of this rig. I want so bad to call CQ at 1 milliwatt. You have no idea. These are the years. These are the years, and it's go time now. 40 dB of amplification on the front end, and it's barely tickling the S meter. When the electrical grid comes back to life, that needle's going to slam to the right. Oh, well, I hope you're well. That's what I did this afternoon. We have no power. It's sleeting and raining and windy and cold. Temperatures right at 32 degrees, bobbling up and down between 31 and 32. We are getting some nasty weather. The pine tree branches laden with ice and laying down on my 80-meter end fed. It's probably where my signal went, straight into the pine tree branch and into the earth. It is vicious outside, man. It's ugly. And these are the days, these are the weather conditions that drop power lines off of poles. Yeah, boy, icing, terrible icing, man. This is the weather that destroys ham radio antennas. Snort. Well, I guess I better go fire the generator up. I'll catch you later. Bye, guys. Okay, boys and girls. I've been sitting at the rig, having a lot of fun. 4:40 p.m. Come on, phone. I'm in a good old mood. Just turned the rig off. Had a bunch of fun. I was on CP channel 38, and there was no one talking. No one talking. I just keyed down and said, "Konnichiwa," and out came a whole chorus. HFers. Do we need to make the distinction between ham and CB, right? They were HFers. You're at a fucking dump. This is a landfill. We're not pretentious and arrogant at the town dump. Lid closed. Uh-oh. I'm in a good mood. Running on generator power. Had my high frequency fun. Whoops. Yeah. Konnichiwa. Hey, oh no. Really? Uh. Is this where I say fuck it and hit stop?
Woohoo!